Hi friends, in this video we're going to take a look at the country of Zambia. Zambia is the country that inspires our Colorful Baskets project for this week. So follow me around the globe first to Cook Literacy Model School. So here is our school. It's a bird's eye view of our school, meaning a view from the sky. If I were a bird in the sky or if I were in a low-flying airplane, this is what I would see. Our school is in the city of Winston-Salem, in the state of North Carolina, and on the continent of North America. So from this end, you can see that's the back of the school, the back parking lot. And we're twirling around towards the front of the school. This is the car rider line right here. Pick up and drop off would happen here. And now let's go in for a street view. Here we are zooming all the way in. Here we go, take a look at this. Look, there's the media center. Here's where you were waiting if you were in the car rider line. And we're back to a bird's eye view. So that's where we are now. Let's take a look at Zambia. So zooming all the way back out to the globe view, going across the ocean to the continent of Africa. Zambia is a country on the continent of Africa, and there's a tribe that is native to Zambia called the Barotse tribe that uses woven grass to make coiled baskets. You can see here in the picture kind of what they look like. Other cultures make similar kinds of baskets from different types of materials, including grasses. Today, you will be making baskets out of fabric, and I want you to see a little bit more about Zambia and what inspired our project today. So here we've zoomed in on Lua Plains National Park in Zambia. And if we look around, it looks pretty different from our neighborhood, right? Now, national parks are preserved natural areas, so you're not allowed to build certain kinds of buildings and things like that in here. But I want you to notice that there's some water here and some grasses, which could inspire or could be why the Barotse tribe used grasses in their baskets. And look, here is another adventurer taking some photos. So thank you for going on this expedition with me. I hope you've learned a little bit more about Zambia and are excited for your project for today.